Hello guys, I'm AJ. If you're new to my channel, I am the Honest Biker, and today we're going to be talking about this absolute beauty, the Harley-Davidson Low Rider S 117. So one thing I love about this bike is the aesthetics. They've kept a really old school look in a modern bike, and that is just that combination of modern and classic, which is going to bring both of those markets together and hopefully please everyone, which is a pretty hard thing to do. Okay guys, here we are. Let's have a little closer look at this bike. It is, in my personal opinion, just a thing of beauty. They've really gone to town with paying attention to all the detailing, including the colour matched rims plus the iconic logo on the tank, which you will see in the video. Love it as well. Love it. And I mean, look at this for detailing. Harley-Davidson branded logo brake pad covers. You can't get better than that. Here's another thing I often get asked, the seat height. For reference, I'm about 5'6/7" with an inside leg of 31 inches. The seat height on the 2024 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is approximately 26.5 inches. This low seat height contributes to its accessibility and comfort, making it a great option for a wide range of riders. Not only is this bike an absolute looker, it's incredibly comfortable to ride too. The seat I was really impressed with. It's really thick and cushioned, which makes it great for riding along on bumpy roads, which, as we know, in the UK is a pretty big and common problem. Another standout feature of this bike is the dual exhaust. Just look at those chrome tips. They add that signature Harley roar and an extra dose of flair. The main question that I have been asked is, do you not find that bike too heavy for you? Is it not too big for you? And in all honesty, no. I really had my confidence boosted. And welcome back to another episode of Inside AJ's Helmet. This time, I am on this rather beautiful Harley-Davidson Low Rider S 117, which I have completely fallen in love with. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is such a joy to ride. I don't want to give it back. The seat is like an armchair. The position is glorious. I've had a lot of people turn around and say to me, oh, it's such a big bike. But this is what I keep saying to people. It's not about the size of the engine. So this bike, for me personally, wave to the bikers, it would be the equivalent of if you were to be riding a Clydesdale versus a thoroughbred racehorse. The delivery is totally different, and that's the only way I can describe the difference. It's definitely fast, I can't deny that. So when everyone turns around and says to new riders, oh, don't you think that bike's a bit big for you? I actually think that they would be safer on this than they would on the 400X Scram. But that's obviously just my opinion. But let me know in the comments what you think. So as I was saying, with this bike, I actually would recommend it to somebody who's just passed their big test, because it's an incredibly stable bike. And it's not one that's going to take you off guard, it's one that's actually going to reboost your confidence in your riding ability. I accidentally came across some hairpins, and I'm not going to lie, I definitely thought I was going to meet my maker. And ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm going to show you that exact clip. Bear in mind, I have cropped it down quite a lot for this video, so if you want to watch the full video, there is another one on my channel. Enjoy! Another biker, hello biker. I should probably also add in here for context that I'd had this bike for around the grand total of 3 hours, which makes the next issue a little bit more interesting, especially when you're on a bike you don't know. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, big. There's a car coming. There we go. Yeah, you're welcome. Welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. So even though I was covering the back and front brake, when I went to accelerate, I rolled back. So I had to really give it some guns. Okay, whee! I can't wait anymore. There we go. Can't keep waiting for people. Got like a huge bike. Woo! This is very steep. Yes, I know, on video it doesn't look that bad, but believe me, on a bike that weighs 307 kilos and me weighing in a grand total of 54 kilos, the rollback on this thing was real, and I did my best to make sure I didn't overthink it and go careering off down the side of one of these ravines and had to explain to Harley-Davidson why their bike now looks like a bit of screwed up tinfoil. Oh, this is interesting. I'm gonna go on the other side. I think it winds around all the way. Yeah, all the way around. Yes, we can make it. Well, that was interesting. I mean, I'll be honest, when I saw that then I was like, ah. But you just kind of got to push through it, and you'll find the bike actually does want to try and help you out. It just instilled this confidence in me that I didn't know I had on a bike this big, and it really did reaffirm my faith in myself that I can do it. See, I don't take these roads that fast this time of year because they're quite slick with mud and all that jazz. So when it's like this, then you can go Bwah! But on the corners we go nice and slow. Right, woodland creatures, don't jump out at me, okay? Because that wouldn't be nice. Oh my life, look at how beautiful. Oh, okay, that's cool. Jesus, go on. Bloody hell. Just as well I wasn't going the maximum speed limit, hey? See what I mean? You gotta be aware, people. You can't just walk out in the road. I mean, this is almost a... Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa. Wow. That's beautiful. Where am I? So as always, with all these bike reviews, I genuinely put my hand on my heart and let you guys know if I would own this bike. And I can genuinely say 100% I would love to own this bike. Is it practical? Is it an everyday bike? Depends on what you do for a living and where you need to commute, I guess. Any bike could be an everyday bike when you think about it. For the size of it, it just glides. It wants to go around those corners with ease. If you let it do its job, it will do it happily. So as always, this is my honest opinion, and I would always ask that you go to your local dealership and try it out for yourself, because there's no point in me saying that I thought it was amazingly comfortable and really easy to ride. You might have a completely different opinion, but would I own one? Absolutely. There's a giant tractor coming, chugga 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 chugga, toot toot. Right, oh brilliant. I think I'll go again. Woodville Mill Farm, that looked nice.